Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by defining your purpose and main message for this presentation. List 3 to 5 key points you want the audience to remember. Plan roughly 1 slide per minute to keep pacing steady and clear. Write short headlines and 2 to 4 supporting bullets per slide. Prepare a 30-second opening that states purpose, relevance, and outcome. Rehearse transitions and timing until you can finish in allotted time. Gather visuals, data charts, and any required files before you open slides. Use a clean template with consistent colors, fonts, and 16:9 layout. Limit each slide to 1 idea and 3 supporting bullets maximum. Choose sans serif fonts at 24 to 36 point sizes for body and headings. Use high contrast text and background for legibility in dim rooms. Include data charts with labels, units, and a short takeaway sentence. Compress images under 300 KB when possible to avoid slow file loading. Add slide numbers and notes for presenter prompts. Arrive early to test the projector, audio, and remote clicker functionality. Speak at a measured pace and pause after important points for emphasis. Use notes for prompts, not full sentences, to keep eye contact. Handle questions by repeating them, answering concisely, and offering follow-up. Have a backup PDF and offline copy on a USB drive or cloud. Time your closing to allow 2 minutes for final questions and next steps. End with a clear call to action and contact information for follow-up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.